What's up, gentlemen and ladies?
Today we're building a single track trail.
It's like 30 degrees out here right now. Stick around to the end for a special surprise.
Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to clear out some trees because they're in the way. So we'll get back to you when we get that done.
Alright, boys and girls, let's go down through there. Once we get through here, we're going to go down through there and through this way. So you can have a little passing lane right here. Once you get down there, you might wreck. Makes it fun. Got the lock.
What lock?
Pull the thing in the front and back. All the way.
Okay, so.
Alright, we're gonna make some turns in here so it ain't just a boring old trail. It's got something to it. Get what I'm saying?
Okay, after these two turns right here, when you come out of the woods, well, not out of the woods, but you know what I mean. You're gonna come right here and make a hard right to turn up in there.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the rest of this stuff out right here. And once we get down here to the end, we're gonna make some hill climbs.
Here we're going to build, well, we're going to clear this out first and then we're going to build a few hill climbs. Let's hope we don't die.
Alright, so we're gonna go down through here and blow this thing off so you won't wreck. Alright, so we got the trail done. Now we're gonna go ride on it. We don't have the green turd today. Come on.
No!
Get it on down the creek. Go.
Oh, I'm not liking this, dude. Come on, come on.
Just roll it down.
Roll it down. That hurt. And I have tennis shoes on when I'm putting up in water.
I didn't know you had tennis shoes on. You need boots.
I don't have any. That's freaking sketchy right here.
You're supposed to go to that side a little more.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I didn't do that though. Okay. I think you do this.
Got that on video.
Okay, I don't think the 125 likes this too much. What do you think?
This is probably the worst part.
Yeah, I know. We're rolling back down.
But you do need boots.
What?
You do need boots.
Yeah, I know. I'm hoping I get some for Christmas.
You can wear them at the house.
What? I might go get them in a minute.
Yeah.
I'm not doing this. The bike gives out right when I get up there. And I even pulled in the clutch trying to help it. It didn't do nothing.
Alright, since y'all got us to 100 subscribers, I'll be jumping in the creek today. Alright, so, once I build up my confidence, alright, so there's ice in here, so you know I ain't lying about how cold it is. It's like 30 degrees out here. It's freezing cold.